Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you all. So today, you know what's funny? I genuinely think that we don't know a person until we travel with them. Like you can be best friends, siblings, your family members, but you'll still not know their personality until you travel with them. On a trip, you learn about them if they're patient or not, if they can adapt to various situations, or if something goes wrong. And even you can know that if they can survive a delayed flight or not. And you can know a lot about a person while traveling. So today, I'm going to judge your travel personality based on your travel red flags and green flags. So let's get started. Let's start with food. So if we travel somewhere new and the first thing that you ask for is, can we just have McDonald's? I'm already judging you a little. Like, I'm sorry, but I just don't understand that traveling all the way to another city or country and eating the same exact thing that you could have eaten at home? Like, please at least try to eat one local meal first. If you hate it, it's fine. Just go get your usual thing from there. But at least give the place a try and see if you are open to trying new things. The green flag version of that is someone who's excited to try something that they have never had at home, even if they have absolutely no idea how to pronounce it. And those are my people. I love to travel with those people. And don't get me wrong, I recently started doing this when I came back from Costa Rica. This was the place where I tried new foods. Before that, I was the other one, the red flag, that used to eat only the things that I liked at home. And I was fine with my comfort food. But now that I have tried new food, the local food of these countries, I feel like you should at least give that local dish one try and see if you like it or not. And honestly, trust me, it is going to change your life once you do that. Now, food is just one thing, but the biggest test of someone's travel personality, when something goes wrong. Like, because something always goes wrong when you're traveling. I have experienced that. Your flights get delayed, it starts raining, the restaurant you wanted to go so bad is closed. That's just traveling. So if every little inconvenience turns into, well, now the whole trip is ruined, that's a huge red flag for me. I cannot deal with those people. Meanwhile, the people I love traveling are the ones who just go like, okay, so what's the backup plan, or what's something that we can do different to accommodate what we are missing here? Because honestly, some of my favorite travel memories weren't planned. And trust me on that. I have been through a lot of different things in my trips, and especially during my Costa Rica trip. So please trust me on that. You'll enjoy if you start living in the moment and just go with the flow without ruining your mood on something that does not go the way that you planned. This next one might be a little controversial. So, have you experienced a traveler in a group who is like an overscheduler? You know exactly who I'm talking about. The person with an itinerary that's planned down to a single minute. Like breakfast at 8:03, museum at 9:17, coffee at 10:42 or something. I am just so stressed by hearing this list. But don't get me wrong, I love having plan. I'm definitely not the person who just shows up and hopes for the best and just think that the whole trip is going to turn out so great without having to plan it. But what I want is also want to keep a little room for the random moments that you get while traveling a new city or country. Like, imagine you find a cute cafe and you're thinking like, okay, let's just sit here and you don't have to worry about it being in schedule or not. Imagine yourself walking down a lane because you just took a wrong turn. Or let's say you're spending a little extra hour somewhere because you are actually enjoying it there. So these little moments usually are the ones that you'll remember the most. You look at that trip years after. Now, I have to call myself out on this next one because I make travel content, but if every single stop on the trip is only because it'll look good on Instagram, then I feel that we are missing the point of traveling. Don't get me wrong, I love taking photos and videos, and I do that. I literally do the same thing. But after you have got your shot and videos, please put your phone down for a minute. Like, actually look around you. Enjoy where you are. Just soak it all in because trust me on that one. 5 years from now, when you're actually looking at these pictures of you going on a trip or remembering the moment, what you'll remember are these random moments where you sat and thought of something else, and you'll not remember who watched your content on Instagram, but you'll surely remember the moment, the thought that you had while enjoying that view or place. And my biggest green flag is kindness. I don't care how many countries you have been to. I don't care if you have flown first class or not. If you are rude to hotel staff, flight attendants, server, or anyone who is just trying to help you, that's an instant no for me. On the other hand, someone who's kind, someone who's respectful and excited to learn about the place that they're visiting, that's the kind of person I would travel with over and over again. Now that I have shared what my red flags and green flags are about traveling, I want to hear your opinions. So, what's that one red flag that makes you instantly go like, yeah, I'm not traveling with that person ever again? Or what's that green flag that makes you think that person is the perfect travel buddy for you? I'm curious because I have enough opinions for a part 2 of this series, and I know some of you are definitely going to disagree with me. So stay tuned for part 2, and please let me know down in the comments what your green flags and red flags are so that I can add it to my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.